This is the world's most advanced turbine blade grinding and polishing system, the SPE 6 CNC from IMM in Germany. The SPE is specifically designed for CNC grinding, polishing and finishing of turbine blades and airfoils. It handles all common blade types, cast, forged, milled, and even additively manufactured parts, up to about 550 millimeters or 22 inches in length. It's a compact and highly robust machine tool that delivers consistent, repeatable results, meaning perfect airfoils every time. With 6 CNC axes, the system offers maximum flexibility for even the most complex blade geometries. This is a detailed view of the front section of the SPE belt head with the contact wheel. In addition to the CNC parameters feed rate and cutting speed, there's a third CNC programmable process parameter, contact pressure. With real-time force feedback, the machine maintains constant contact pressure during grinding and polishing, ensuring stable and reproducible finishing results. It takes blade and airfoil quality to the next level. At the same time, the process is extremely efficient with fast cycle times and high throughput. The precision of the CNC process also improves upstream operations. It helps balance the milling process, reduces inspection effort, and significantly lowers CMM time, thanks to the high repeatability. The machine is fully enclosed, protecting operators from dust, vibration, and noise. A large sliding door ensures safe and easy access. The use of coolant eliminates airborne dust completely and prevents any heat-induced damage to the airfoil. At the same time, it significantly reduces abrasive consumption compared to dry processes. The belt head is designed for belts of 2,050 millimeters in length and width of 8 millimeters to 18 millimeters. A range of interchangeable tool units is available, with contact wheels from 25 to 80 millimeters in diameter. These tools allow precise processing of concave and convex surfaces, as well as leading and trailing edges and root radii. The SPE is equipped with a gravity belt filtration system with optional features such as oil skimmer or magnetic separator. Integrated sensors ensure process safety. No coolant flow means no machining. The machine also includes a mist extraction system, ensuring a clean and safe working environment. The SPE is equipped with the Siemens Sinomeric 1 CNC control. This industry standard control ensures easy integration into any modern production environment. Maintenance access is straightforward with service doors on the side and in the rear of the machine. Common workpiece fixturing is used. In this case, it is the standard Profilo from Lang. If you'd like to learn more about CNC turbine blade grinding and polishing, visit us at imm-maschinenbau.com and see how IMM can take your blade manufacturing to the next level.